The Ninja Blender Mega Kitchen System 1500 Watt, a culinary powerhouse or overkill? A deep dive review. The Ninja brand has become synonymous with powerful blending and food processing capabilities, and the Ninja Blender Mega Kitchen System 1500W, BL770 or similar models stands as a testament to this reputation. Promising to be more than just a blender, this comprehensive system aims to tackle everything from silky smoothies and frozen drinks to dough kneading and precise chopping. With its robust 1500-watt motor and a variety of attachments, it positions itself as a versatile workhorse for the modern kitchen. After extensive testing across its various functions, this review delves into the positive and negative aspects of the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, providing a detailed assessment for potential buyers seeking a multifunctional culinary tool. Unboxing and initial impressions. A Ninja Mega Kitchen System arrives in substantial packaging, reflecting the number of components included. The base unit feels solid and weighty, instilling confidence in its power. The package typically includes a 72-ounce total crushing blender pitcher, an 8-cup food processor bowl, a dough blade, a chopping blade, two 16-ounce NutriNinja cups with to-go lids, and a stacked blade assembly for the blender pitcher. The sheer number of attachments can feel a bit daunting initially, but the clear labeling and user manual help navigate the different functionalities. The overall aesthetic is functional and modern, with a predominantly black and silver design that should integrate well into most kitchen decors. The suction cups on the base provide excellent stability during operation, a crucial feature for a blender of this power. The blending powerhouse, Total Crushing Technology. The 72-ounce Total Crushing Blender pitcher is the centerpiece of the system, and its performance is undeniably impressive. The stacked blade assembly, a Ninja signature, effortlessly pulverizes ice, frozen fruits, and tough vegetables into smooth, consistent textures in seconds. Whether creating large batch smoothies, frozen margaritas, or creamy soups, the blender handles the task with remarkable speed and efficiency. The 1500-watt motor provides ample power to tackle even the most stubborn ingredients. The large capacity is a significant advantage for families or those who frequently entertain. The pour spout and secure lid with a locking mechanism minimize spills and make pouring easy. Beyond blending, the versatile food processor. The 8-cup food processor bowl expands the capabilities of the Mega Kitchen System significantly. Equipped with dedicated chopping and dough blades, it transforms the blender base into a capable food processor. The chopping blade makes quick work of dicing vegetables for salsas, salads, or stir-fries, offering consistent results with minimal effort. The dough blade is a standout feature, efficiently kneading dough for bread, pizza, and cookies. While the 8-cup capacity might not be sufficient for very large batches, it's ideal for most home baking needs. The food processor lid features a feed chute for adding ingredients while processing, enhancing convenience. Personalized blends. The NutriNinja cups. The inclusion of two 16-ounce NutriNinja cups with to-go lids adds another layer of versatility, catering to individual smoothies and drinks. These single-serve cups attach directly to the blender base, allowing for quick and easy blending of personalized beverages. The powerful motor ensures that even fibrous ingredients like spinach and kale are blended smoothly. The to-go lids are a practical addition for taking your creations on the go, making these cups ideal for busy mornings or post-workout fuel. Ease of use and cleaning. Despite its power and multiple attachments, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System is surprisingly user-friendly. The intuitive controls on the base clearly indicate the different modes and speeds for each attachment. Attaching and detaching the various pitchers and bowls is straightforward. Cleaning is generally manageable, with most components being dishwasher safe. Check the user manual for specific instructions. However, the stacked blade assembly requires careful handling during manual washing due to its sharpness. Rinsing the pitchers and cups immediately after use helps prevent food from sticking and simplifies cleaning. Positive points. Powerful 1500-watt motor delivers exceptional blending and processing power for a wide range of tasks. Total crushing technology effortlessly pulverizes ice and frozen ingredients for smooth results. Versatile food processor functionality includes chopping and dough blades for food preparation and baking. Convenient Ninja cups, perfect for single-serve smoothies and on-the-go beverages. Large capacity blender pitcher, ideal for families and entertaining. User-friendly controls. Intuitive interface makes operations straightforward. Relatively easy to clean. Most components are dishwasher safe. Stable and durable base. Suction cups ensure stability during high-speed blending. Comprehensive system offers a space-saving alternative to purchasing separate blender and food processor units. Negative points. Noise level. The powerful motor can be quite loud during operation, especially when blending tough ingredients or ice. Bulky size and storage. The base unit and multiple attachments can take up significant countertop and storage space. Food processor capacity. The 8-cup capacity might be limiting for very large food processing tasks. Blade sharpness requires caution. The stacked blender blades are extremely sharp and require careful handling during cleaning. Noisy ice crushing. While effective, crushing ice can be particularly loud. Learning curve with multiple attachments. It might take some time to become fully familiar with all the different attachments and their optimal uses. Potential for over-processing. The powerful motor requires attention to avoid over-processing ingredients, especially in the food processor mode. Noisy dough kneading. The dough kneading function can also be quite loud. Pulse function sensitivity. The pulse function can be very powerful, requiring a delicate touch for precise control. Conclusion. The Ninja Blender Mega Kitchen System 1500W lives up to its name, offering a powerful and versatile solution for a wide range of culinary tasks. Its exceptional blending capabilities, coupled with the functionality of a food processor and personal blenders, make it a compelling option for those seeking a multifunctional kitchen appliance. While its size and noise level might be drawbacks for some, the sheer power, versatility, and convenience it offers are undeniable. For individuals and families who frequently blend smoothies, process food, and occasionally knead dough, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System provides a space-saving and efficient alternative to owning separate, dedicated appliances. It's a robust workhorse that can handle demanding tasks, making it a valuable asset in a busy kitchen, provided you have the counter and storage space to accommodate it. The initial investment might seem significant, but the functionality and power offered justify the price for those who will utilize its full potential.